All right, we are going to assume that you already have Webflow set up. Um, if not, go back to the last module and I'll walk through kind of getting started with Webflow. But this is for the crew who already is familiar with Webflow and just wants to start building some beautiful funnels that they can sell to potentially ClickFunnels clients or for yourself. So um, the one thing I'll call out here is I always start with a premium template. I like to start with the forest theme. I think it's like 75 bucks, but honestly, the time saved is well worth it. It comes with beautiful components, and I just kind of change the theme, customize it for clients as needed, and it is well worth the money. So getting into the funnel trifecta, you obviously have your Webflow account. Then you'll need to actually move on to signing up for Stripe if you don't already have a Stripe account. So um, get your Stripe account going, set up your company, and then you'll need to actually create a new product. So the steps for that is pretty straightforward. I don't need to walk you through that. You just add a product. Once you've created the product, that's going to be so specific to what you need to sell. You'll want to create a price. And so you can have any kind of pricing here. You can have subscription-based product pricing, whatever you need to do. Stripe has you covered. So once you've created your product and your price, make sure you copy down the price ID here. We're going to need that later. So take note of whatever price ID you end up using for your product. Once you've got your product set up and your pricing, you're going to need a couple other things here to set up the funnel function later. So take note of the publishable key. So you can copy that to your clipboard, just put it in a text file somewhere, you can save it. Then you also want to reveal your test key, your secret key here. Save that somewhere secure. I'm not going to reveal mine here, but save that, and you'll need that later when we configure the funnel function in Firebase. So once you've got your Stripe account figured out and you've got your configuration noted down, the next step will actually be moving on to setting up the funnel function and actually deploying some code. So this is where it starts to get a little bit techy, but I think you'll find it's not that difficult and it's kind of fun once you get into it. So this is a great way to dip your toes into coding, going kind of from the no code phase to the low code phase. So check out the next video for that.